Hello charmers and stylers, it's Mobile Styles app here and we're back. We already know what time it is and it is the Hello Kitty Hip Dot makeup collection. It comes with one sponge, it's so cute, it's a heart shaped, and we also have the selfie palette, and we've got the lip gloss set and also the mascara and eyeliner set. Today we'll be trying all those out and showing you guys how it actually looks, and we'll tell you all the details on how you can enter to be the one lucky winner who will win the entire set of the Hip Dot Hello Kitty collection. Let's get started. So since I've already done my eyebrows and my face, I did all the contouring, all the blush, we're going straight to the eyes and we're starting off with the Hello Kitty palette. Now we open this up and the shades look like this. Oh! And the cover fell, but here you go. It's a range of shades. You can make a lot of different looks with this, but let's start off with BFF as the base. Kind of dust it off a little bit because it's very pigmented. As you can see, my brush is already super pink. So I dusted off the eyeshadow and there is still so much pigment on it that I am actually surprised at how pigmented the shadow is. Let's go off with the other side. Okay, next up, let's go with the shade Apple Pie and put it on our outer corners. Again to the other side. Now I'm going to go with the shade Hello Kitty, and I love this shade because as you can see, it's a shade that you can use on almost anything. You can even use it as contouring. And this is going to be going on our outer corners right over here. I love that brown color because it's not too orange and it's not too gray. Again to the other side. Let's put whatever we have remaining on the inner corners of our eyes to create more of a depth into our eyes. And now let's go with the shade Heart of Gold, and I'm going to just dip my finger in here so I can get as much pigment as possible and lay it right in the middle, right over here. Would you look at that? Look at that pigment. Look at that glow. That is shimmering. Off to the other side. Wow, that's absolutely beautiful. I love this shade already. It's so pretty. Now let's go off with the shade BFF again and put it all over under our eyes. And going off with Hello Kitty, I'm going to put it on the outer corners under my eyes. So now I'm curious as to how Say Hello will look. So let me just put a swatch on my hands. This is so beautiful, guys. I just took a glimpse of it, but wow. Amazing. Oh my goodness, do you guys see this? That is so pretty. Alright, that has to go on the inner corners of our eyes. Let's see if the brush will catch just as much pigment. Wow, that is so pretty. Let's go off to the other eye. So the brush will pick up just the same amount of pigment, so that's a good thing that you don't need to use your finger all the time to get the maximum potential of your pigmentation. I'm actually really loving my eye look right now, and let me just go up close and show you guys how it looks before I put on my eyelashes. But this already looks so pretty, and I'm so excited to how this will look in the end. Now I'm going to go straight into eyeliner, but I'm going to go with brown eyeliner since the look today is slightly warm, and I personally like to apply brown eyeliner on warmer looks so that it doesn't come off too harsh. Now let me just apply my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, we have successfully applied our eyelashes, and now let's go straight to the mascara. It's a dual-ended mascara and eyeliner. So this side out here is the eyeliner, and this is a liquid eyeliner. Let's see how it'll apply. Let's test it out on our hands. Ooh, that is very super dark, very pigmented black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. And to the other side, I'm assuming it is the mascara. Yes, and this is also kind of the same liquid type of mascara. Let me apply this on my bottom lashes. Alright, so we are completed with the mascara. Now let's go on to the lips. The lip glosses are also dual-ended. It comes with a coral shade and a magenta shade. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to actually apply the entire coral on my lips and apply the magenta in the inside of my lips. This is a gloss that shows up like this. Ooh, that is very pretty. It smells good too. Okay, that is how the coral looks. And let's go on with this pink magenta shade and let's focus only on the inner side. This will give that slightly cherry bitten lip look. Alright, so that is how it looks. So this is the finished look, guys. I'm absolutely in love with my lip gloss and my eyeshadows. I was super shocked at how pigmented all of these eyeshadow shades were, and as well as the lip gloss shades. It made your lips look much more plump and without any of that stinging effect or whatnot. It also didn't have any funky smell to it. The mascara and eyeliner was also great. Overall, this Hello Kitty Hip Dot collection is so cute and it's such a must-have. If you guys want to participate in this giveaway with Mobile Styles app, all you have to do is 1. Follow at Mobile Styles app, 2. Like our giveaway post, 3. Tag 2 friends in the comment, and 4. Share the post to your story. You guys can check out our Instagram for more information. Thank you so much for watching this IGTV with Mobile Styles app. We'll see you next time, and until then, stay charming and stylish. Bye bye!